Hey, let me show you how to book your dream weekend cruise and save some money while using our special discount code. First, go to dreamweekendcruise.com. Feel free to check out the ship and the rooms. Learn about the cruise and what to expect. Click Book Now. Make sure you have the following information ready for all of your guests before you access the reservations portal. Select the number of guests. Select the room type. Select the specific type of room you want to book. Choose a room based on the layout map. Click Check Out and ensure all information is completed, including bed preference. It is important to use promo code REGGAE, which will give you a nice discount at checkout. Click Continue and proceed with payment. This will allow you to pay in full or use the flexible monthly payment option. Hurry and book now because rooms are going fast. See you on the cruise.